Hi guys, good demon. I come back. I'm very sorry guys, ngiyazi ukuthi nginesikhathi eside manje ngingaphosti. Guys bengimatasatasa. Ngalesi sikhathi sonyaka ke thina is peak time in our field. So busy guys, but ke aniyazi ukuthi ayikho into engadluliko konke kuyadlula guys. On 25 May it was World Africa Day. Ngalelo langa it's my birthday. So umkharibeni wathi baby, ngiyazi ukuthi uhlala ubusy, uhlala umatasatasa. Ngibawa ke right now ngiyakubhuka for the weekend, shut everything down. Ngathi what shut everything down, ngathi say no more. Hi guys, ke wangithatha ngisa ku 5-star guest house and spa. This place is amazing guys, it's top class. Niyazi guys ukuthi I've been to many places and ngithatha ama video nenthombe endaweni ezihlukahlukene ezihle in South Africa and abroad. Ngiyathoma ke endaweni ehle kangaka eletha peace, tranquility. Yazi ne smell sakhona, smell of nature, ama sound we nature. Ngabe sengibukela imfaces ezihleza ezi white and orange, yellow, brownish, gold, silver, all those nice colors man. Kuhle la ne sound amanzi, smell sama blomu, kuhlangahlangene konke kumnandi. Hayi ngahaleli coffee nga odi coffee guys. Bengibawe ilatte guys, milk coffee, but ke bangilethele espresso. Azange ngifuna ukukhosa drama, ngithi call the manager and what ngathi caffeine laba letha menu breakfast sa order sikodako, chef wenza dume ngazo. Amazing guys, I give them 100 out of 100. Amazing presentation, i-taste yona ngisafuna ukukhuluma ngayo. It was amazing. My food neyaka mkharibeni ubeyihle, konke bekumnandi, sidla kamnandi. Chef was amazing, bekweza kithi wazongifisela happy birthday, konke kwaba right. Ube bathe kunento ayikhohliweyo ngathi no le mcoffee sheet lekoloyini ngaya kamnandi, ngamthathela yona, sihlele kamnandi phasi. Nangibuya kuba ngibamba nge-slow motion, nasitayideng. Hi guys, it was time now for the spa. Now ungazi ngiyakuthanda ukupotozwa. It was time now for keep all the tension. I love it. Photos net position la ngithandi man, inkhumuza ama labor pains, but it was amazing. The spa was amazing. This place guys is amazing. If you want to host, if ufuna uba sendaweni ehle, endaweni emnandi, this is the place to be. And again 5-star guys, and their prices are quite affordable. Ungakhona ukuthi wenze into zakho. Just to remind you, it's indeed 5-star guys. It's amazing. Banayo ne outdoor spa massages. This is the place la benza khona. Last nomkharibeni bese sithatha inthombe, we were playing around, everything emnandi guys. Ngifuna unzwisa isound yamanzi ukuthi injani. This is what I'm talking about. Listen to this. Yo, it was amazing guys. I'm gonna close off the vlog by video bangenzela for Africa Day and birthday. Enjoy bro, love you. Yeah.